Dedicated servers are different than shared hosting in that the entire computing system and all its resources are only used for your website. As you probably guessed, this means much more power than the shared hosting packages, but also much more expense. Let's take a look at the Linux plans offered by the same company we took a look at for the shared hosting packages. These are the dedicated hosting packages offered by GoDaddy. We can see that option 1 gives us 512 gigabytes of storage, 2 gigabytes of RAM, and 5 terabytes of bandwidth per month, substantially more than any of the shared packages. One of the key benefits of dedicated hosting is you have absolute control over the configuration settings of your server. We'll be exploring server configuration in modules to follow. Think of it as your own personal server just stored in a remote location. You can also add memory, hard drives, and bandwidth as you require. You have complete flexibility on the type of hardware you install. Please note that because this is a physical computer system, all these upgraded components would need to be installed by your server administrator. With dedicated hosting, you would typically be required to pay an administration fee for the management of your server, if you do not do it yourself. This means your hosting company takes care of required updates, security checks, and any upgrades you need. As with shared hosting, as we move towards the right, we see the costs increase, but so do the system resources and specifications.